Eggs are incredible. They're a great source of protein and fat and versatile. Now remember, when purchasing eggs, always open the carton and check for any cracked or broken eggs. Always keep them in the refrigerator and they will stay good for about 3 weeks. Eggs come in different sizes, so make sure to pick the right size for your recipes. Most recipes do use large-sized eggs. Eggs are great to use for a hearty breakfast or a quick, easy lunch or dinner. You can fry, scramble, or poach eggs. You can also hard-boil eggs for a quick snack or to use to make deviled eggs or egg salad. Let's make some boiled eggs. We're going to place our eggs into a medium-sized saucepan. Today we're going to be using 6. Carefully put them into the bottom of your saucepan. You don't want to break any. Okay, once you have your eggs in there, pour cold water over the top until it reaches about 1 inch over the eggs. A little bit more. All right, we're going to put them on to boil. All right, our eggs are now boiling, so I'm going to remove it from the heat, place a lid on top, and we're going to let this set for 11 minutes. Our eggs have been sitting for 11 minutes, and now we're going to take them out and plunge them into an ice water bath to stop the cooking process. We're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then our eggs will be ready to peel or put into the refrigerator to use later. Our eggs have been in our ice bath for 10 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and remove them out. I'll place them in this other bowl, and then they'll be ready to peel to use. All right, let's peel an egg. For me, I just crack it on the counter, get it started. I try to get underneath that membrane, so then it makes it peel a little bit easier. And there you have it, a perfect hard-boiled egg.
Eat, move, save.